When Trump imposed punishing tariffs on China this year, since April, everyone thought that it would hurt the dragon. But numbers are now saying otherwise. For the first time ever, China has achieved a historic milestone, posting a trade surplus exceeding $1 trillion through November 2025. Let's break down the numbers for you. Year to date, exports reached approximately $3.4 trillion, climbing 5.4 to 5.9% from last year, while imports grew sluggishly by just 0.622% to $2.3 trillion, forging a $1.08 trillion surplus, a 21.7% leap over 2024's full year $990 billion mark. November standalone figures soared to $111.68 billion. High-performing exports included electric vehicles up over 30%, solar panels and lithium batteries exceeding 25%, and industrial robotics surging 15 to 20%. So how did this happen? Deflationary pressures shaved export prices by 2 to 3%, enhancing competitiveness, while a deliberately undervalued renminbi amplified this edge, allowing China to undercut rivals even as new material costs stabilized. Deeply, this surplus reflects structural overcapacity. State-subsidized factories churning out goods beyond domestic absorption, flooding markets worldwide. Now let's talk about the US. US-bound exports created 28 to 29% to $33 billion monthly under Trump's layered tariffs. Now 60% plus on EVs, steel, semiconductors and consumer goods, yet China's total surplus ballooned by rerouting 70 to 80% of diverted volumes elsewhere. Southeast Asia shipments were up 8%, Europe nearly 15%, plus gains in Africa, Latin America and Australia. Exporters front-loaded shipments pre-tariff hikes in Q4 2024, stockpiling US ports, while transshipment hubs in Vietnam, Mexico and Indonesia repackaged goods to evade duties, boosting ASEAN trade 12 to 15%. Even then, Chinese Premier Li Shang slammed Trump's tariffs as a severe blow to the world economy, urging coordinated domestic policies amid property woes and weak demand, while state media stressed resilience via trade redirection. So did Trump's strategy boomerang? US firms like Apple passed on the cost to the customers, fueling inflation at 3.2% in the United States, while China's forex reserves swelled to $3.6 trillion for strategic buys like US treasuries. Tariffs compelled China's long-term strategy of market diversion, slashing US reliance while flooding non-US regions with its products. This pivot, as per economists, mitigates the trade war pain for short term but risks global imbalances, with surpluses rivaling World War II US peaks at 1% plus of world GDP. That's all for this week. I will see you in the next. Like, share and subscribe to ET Now for more such news and views.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.